What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to turn off voice to text here on your iPhone, which is a feature that allows you to actually speak words whenever you're texting someone. For example, I'm here on iMessage and I'm trying to send a text message. I'm going to tap in here and then I'm going to be like, hello, how are you? As you can see here, what happens is the voice to text feature here allows me to actually send a text of whatever I'm saying here instead of sending a voice note. Of course, we also have the voice note option in here, but I'm gonna tell you how to deactivate this annoying feature in here that in sometimes it's helpful, but in some scenarios it's not helpful. And I would prefer using the voice note in most of the cases. For example, I do have here this little microphone logo in here and I want it to actually be my voice note icon. Hey, my name is Shaq and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues and I also share cool tech hacks and tutorials. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, jumping straight into today's video in here, we'll be turning off the voice to text on iPhone, which is something that doesn't just work on messages, but it works on WhatsApp as well. If you're here on WhatsApp, you also have the option to turn on the voice to text feature in here, which will allow you to actually send messages while you speak. Okay, so it converts your audio into text. Now, in order to turn this off, it's very easy. The very first step in here is to hop into settings here on your home screen, and next up you want to scroll down all the way to general down here. Tap once on general and then scroll down all the way to keyboards. You want to hop into keyboards real quick, and then down here you just want to scroll down until you find dictation. Okay, here we go. We do have dictation and then enable dictation. So all you want to do is simply turn off enable dictation, and then you've got this pop-up in here. Simply tap on turn off dictation. There you go. You're good to go. Dictation has completely been turned off and you won't be having this issue anymore. For example, I'm here. I won't be having that specific microphone over there anymore. And now you can send audios normally here with your iPhone device by tapping here on the microphone button. Okay, so this is how easy you can actually turn off dictation. Now you do have another way of doing this, which is a shortcut. For example, let's say that I'm here, I want to text somebody, and let's say that I want to turn off dictation. All you want to do is simply press and hold here at the left of your keyboard where you do have the emoji button. Press and hold and then simply hover it to keyboard here. Simply leave it under keyboard settings and you'll be brought straight to this same settings page from where you can actually enable or disable dictation. Now, if you simply want to turn it back on, simply tap here once, tap on enable dictation, and there you go. Dictation has been turned on once again. Now here you can tap on dictation language and you can add as many languages or check the languages which are actually available to use as dictation. For example, here I am on messages. Let's say that I press and hold in here. I can select the desired language which I wish to use or that I want my iPhone to recognize from myself. So this was it for today, guys. This is how easy you can turn off auto dictation in here on your iPhone device, which is also known as the voice to text feature. If you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section below if you do have any questions or doubts. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.